All right, folks, I'm going to show you here how to create your Google site where we're going to post information from our engineering design project. When you're in your drive, go up to the top right corner to the 9 circles here, and in the applications that Google offers us, one of the options that we have is Google Sites. So we're going to select that. It'll bring us to this page right here, and you're going to click New Google Sites. Now, my page is going to show some different sites that I've accessed, some of my student sites, my site, um, but yours is going to be blank. There's probably going to be, it'll look like a guy holding a plus sign or holding a check mark or something like that. But down here in this corner is Create New Site option. You're going to click on that. Working a little bit slowly for me here, so I appreciate the patience. But that's going to bring you to this. Okay, and this is set up similarly to the way that Google Slides would be in terms of editing, right? We can add text boxes. So if I want to add a text box, welcome to my page about my STEM project, or whatever you want to put here. Okay, this can just be your welcome page. Okay, so you can have your name on here, and you can start working on editing this page. Okay, but this is where we're going to add the stuff we need for our site. Okay, so one thing that you definitely need to do today is create a tab for your engineering design project. So you're going to go to Pages, New Page, and you can put Engineering Design Project. That's going to create a tab up here, and if I want to, I can add things underneath it. So if I have specifically my background research, okay, that's the paragraph that you should have completed last week. I drop it in the same way I would with a folder. Now I have a page just for that. Okay, and so on that page, I could put, this is the research I did for the problem I'm going to work on for my EDP project. Okay, different things we can edit in terms of, like I said, very similar to the way Slides works. Okay, I can drop this in here. So if maybe I'm doing a select image, maybe I'm doing a clean water. So maybe the problem I'm working on is folks need access to clean water. Then I put my research paragraph here, and I'm good to go. Okay, some other things that you can work on, changing the theme of your page. You can add images. So for my research up here, the the background on there, oh, that's not what I'm looking for. We'll select image. And they've got just stock photos that are already on here. You can choose from those or else upload images as well. That's up to you. But overall, we need to get the site started and put our background research paragraph on our website, and then share with others. Make sure that you share it with Mr. Ernst, and you'll be good to go. That is what we're working on today and tomorrow, which is April 6th and April 7th. And then later this week, we'll move on to doing background research, brainstorming solutions for our project. Make sure that you email me if you have any questions, and I hope that you have a good week.